Hello all, I've come up with another video. This time on n8n I will be scrapping a website using various tools. So first we can see that there is an on-form submission which basically requires an input of the website where we want to scrap. So I'll be scrapping the books which are there in books2script.com. And then this input is taken to the HTTP request, which is basically going to give this input to Firecrawl API, which basically extracts the information as I need. And as you can see here, I have variabilized this, which is going to get input from the URL that is going to come from the form submission. And then this gives an input to the OpenAI, which is going to format certain information the way that I am expecting. And then it starts writing the data into the Google Sheet, as you can see on the right side. So let's execute this flow. As you can see, it's opening a form. I'm going to paste this and then I'm submitting. That's the end of the form. So it's processing. OpenAI is processed. Google Sheet is processed. We can see live. See the data is written here. So this is what the web scraping is all about. As you can see, the data is written here, and this is a successful execution. Thank you. More in the next.